Hi, do you know how to add the header, page number and the logo in File Excel? Let's grow together to discover it in few clicks. First of all, we need to make the header visible on the sheet. So, let's go to the View tab and select Page Layout. After that, click on the top of the document to review three sections. This is the place where various elements can be added to the header. For example, let's say that we want to insert page numbers in the left section of the header. Click inside the chosen header section, go to the Header and Footer tab, and select Page Number. Excel, in automatic way, will insert a code for page numbers. If we click anywhere in the document, the header will display the page number. But to include a total page count, click back into the header. Type a / to separate the numbers, and then click Number of pages. Again, we will see a code, but once we click outside the header, the page number and total number of the pages will be displayed as desired, separated by a slash. So for this reason, we can also use the same method to insert other elements like current date, file path, file name, or sheet name. Okay guys, let's go on. Now we will see how to insert an image. For example, you wanna place a logo in the right section of the header. Click there, go to Header and Footer, and then click Picture. Excel will provide several location options to browse for the image. We have already prepared the logo on our computer, so we will choose the first option and find the folder where the image is saved. Okay, we will see the code in the header, and clicking anywhere in the document will reveal the insert picture, which is clearly too large. But don't worry guys, we are going to format the image to fit our needs. Click the right section of the header again, go to the Header and Footer tab, and select Format Picture. This window will provide all necessary tools to adjust the image. So in this case, we are going to focus on the resizing. We are going to use the scale option and adjust the percentage to 40%. Okay, click OK, and the resized image will appear as needed. And here we go. Let's give and try with the text, which is nothing difficult. Click on the header part where you need to insert the text. Here we will type Humosapia, and that's it. Now click anywhere in the spreadsheet, and the text will show in the header of the document. Of course, you can adjust the font type, size and color of the text in line with the document style. Here we will change the font type and its size. Great. If any of the insert elements overlaps the document area, like in the case of the logo here, for example, the border of the header can be easily moved here on the left. Great guys! Let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.